Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a hack to make plain candles a little bit more interesting. You're going to need some tapered paraffin candles, some type of tub or vase, something that will hold water and can accommodate the length of the candle, and you'll also need some warm water, not boiling because that will melt the candle, just warm. Once the candles have been sitting in the warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, you then hold them underneath the water and start to bend them however you want. I made a combination of ones that needed candle holders to stand up straight and ones that could stand up straight on their own, and I just used an X-Acto knife and shaved off some of the bottom so it would stand up, and this is how it looks at the very end. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I hope you give this a shot. Have a good day.